Hey guys, good morning. December 28th, 2021. Here we are, another beautiful day, guys. I mean, we're blessed to be above ground. We're blessed to be able to be here and grind our everyday struggles and just try to get ahead, you guys. Hopefully everybody's getting ahead every day. Remember, guys, ahead isn't only financial, guys, even though I know money is very important. Just remember, ahead is having good relationships with the people you love. Um, you know, Molding those bonds that will matter for a lifetime, guys, because there's some people out there, our children, who will always look to us for advice, for guidance, for how to react in this world, how to do things in this world. So, come on, guys, let's be good people. Let's teach our children how to be great people. Nonetheless, guys, so here we are. This is a Powerstroke 6.0. This one, the customer's complaining that in the mornings when it's cold, it tends to start up. Once it gets hot, sometimes it won't start, sometimes as well. So he's getting a hot no start, most likely some kind of O-ring problem. I did head gaskets on this truck probably about, I want to say about a year and a half ago. So gotta see what's going on. Definitely out of warranty wise, meaning O-rings or something like that. I did replace all his O-rings or whatnot. He may be having an injector problem, maybe a standpipe problem. I doubt it. It's still starting. It still runs. He is complaining about a few things. I did notice the batteries are kind of weak last night when I started up to bring it in here. After I moved the Lincoln Continental was right here. It's parked on the side right now. That truck you see behind this Ford is the Marine from 29 Palms that I got to rebuild her 6.0, and I still have the 6.0 that I'm doing ARP headstands and resealing. I just get a lot of work, guys. I'm always having work. There's a Duramax that's going to be getting here probably in about half an hour or so for a large fuel leak. I kind of have an idea where it's at. It's a '05. It's an LLY. This is an '06, third generation Powerstroke 6.0. So, all right, guys, let me go ahead and show you what's going on right here, and then we're gonna get going and start the diagnosis and see what's going on with the vehicle. So this is it, guys, right here. This is the 2006 F250 single wheel back there. Um, well, all F250s are single wheels, right? So there's a truck that needs to be rebuilt back there, guys. That's the engine that needs to be rebuilt. As you guys can see, there's the Lincoln Continental. You guys see that beautiful mountain in the background? Still windy, guys. Still very windy. But let me go ahead and get on this truck. Let me get this diagnosis done, and we will get back to it, guys. You guys be safe. Take it easy, guys.